Hello everyone, so my name is Angel Bantilan. So today we will be discussing a problem. So let's go. A is TR15, a string variable containing the value 15. B in 20, an integer variable containing the value 20. Float 3.5, a float variable containing the value 3.5. The code then converts the string a to an integer using the int function. Next, the code calculates the sum of a, b, and c. Sum a, b, and c equal a plus b plus c. The code then prints the sum using four different methods. Print the sum as sum abc using comma separation. Print the sum is sum abc for f using f-ring with formatting. Print the sum is format sum abc using the format method. Print is the sum of format sum abc using the format method with multiple placeholders.